Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I'm here with a simple little tip today. When you're cutting, whether that be cardstock or chipboard, and you're cutting multiple pieces that need to be the same size, you need to pay attention to where you position your cardstock, or in this case, chipboard. The trimmer that I'm using is a Rotatrim MasterCut M20. I know you guys are going to ask me, so it's Rotatrim, and this is what I use to cut my chipboard. However, this is about cutting and placement of your chipboard or cardstock. So when you have to cut one or two pieces, one piece, or several pieces, it doesn't matter. What you want to pay attention to is the placement of your material. So let's say our measurement is 3/4 of an inch. 3/4 of an inch by 6.5. This is an actual measurement I need to cut, right? And I want them to be identical. So I'm going to measure my 3/4 of an inch, right? And I want to pay attention to where the placement of my chipboard is, whether that's on the line, at the line, or over the line. When I'm cutting a one-off, I really don't pay attention to whether it's on the line, at the line, or over the line. I don't, because it's not important. But when I need to cut multiple pieces at the same time, or for a specific project, not at the same time, I like to pay attention to where my placement is. And in this case, I'm right at the line. What does that mean? I can see the line on my trimmer. All right. If I'm on the line, I can't see it. So I am at the line. So that means when I cut my second piece, I want to make sure that I am right at that line. And my friends, that is important when you are making projects. Because let's say I got to cut another one, right? So 1, 2, 3. Whoopsie. 1, 2, 3. 3/4 of an inch. And I am on the line. This one is going to be thinner than this one. All right, so you want perfect pieces every single time. So now I'm going to make sure that I am right at the line so that my pieces will be identical. And let's test this theory, my friends. And they are identical. All right, so this may not seem important to you when you're making a photo mat, cutting pattern paper for matting, but when you're working on projects that you need pieces to be the same, pay attention to the placement of your material. And then that second piece, cut it exactly the same way. All right, so these need to be by 6.5, right? Let's see if you can, yeah, you can see this in the camera. Perfect. So I am right at the line, 6.5. Second one, right at the line, making sure it's exactly the same way every single time. All right, and there you have it. Little tip, guys. Hopefully you find this helpful. Let me know. If you like what you see on this channel, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you think about these little pro tips here if you find them helpful.